Okay, so what are we talking about today? We're talking today about goals are good for people for setting direction, but systems are the best for making progress. And what we're saying, well, how does the Kanban method enable that to be the case? So I would say that we need both. We need a goal or we need a sense of direction. Are we going in the right direction? And we need a system of work that allows us to achieve the goal that we want and consistently do that, not just a one off, not a fluke, consistently, reliably, and predictably deliver it and keep improving. So, how does Kanban method achieve that? Well, it starts by every Kanban system is designed from the first principle by first understanding what is your current system of work. How are you working? What are the things that are working for you? What is not working for you? And it's not about what you want it to be, it's about what it is right now. And we start by visualizing that as a Kanban system and then working on that system continually to deliver and continually tune that system and make it better and better and better. So we have two sets of measures, if you like, two sets of one is the purpose measure. In other words, this system that we have, this Kanban system that we're designing, what is its purpose? How fit for purpose is it in serving the customer needs? So we understand what is the customer need and how we're achieving that. And then we've got another set of measures which says, how is our system of work working? So things like how many pieces of work do we have in flight? How long does it take to do one? What is our failure demand? When we finish something, does it come back to say, well, I didn't quite get that, or there's a bug in here? So all of those things is about understanding the system of work. And we've got our purpose measures, which is the goal that we're doing. What is it that we're delivering to the customer? So are we meeting the customer needs? Are they happy? Are they promoters of our service and product? Or are they detractors? And then how can we tune the system and make that better? So we got our two sets of measures that will help us. And then the Kanban system allows visualizers, if you like, both the work and the workflow and tells us where our attention is needed most. And in many ways, it surfaces the interventions that are needed in order to improve that system of work. Yes, we can look at that system and ignore the signals that it's sending us, but most people will look at those signals and say, okay, how can we improve? And we can form our hypotheses around what is this improvement going to give us? Why do we think we need it? And then we take action. We start acting on it, we put those interventions in place, and we keep looking and seeing how is that improving the way we're working and delivering more. Now, when we have our system of measures, we need to sense widely, not just for the bit that we change, because there may be some unforeseen consequences. So, just because we improve the customer satisfaction, the call center may be flooded with calls. So, we need to see and if that's the right thing that we want to do. So, we need to balance, we need to understand, and that's what is in there. So the Kanban method helps you create a system of work that you can both set goals and achieve them with happier teams.